How to fix Instagram confirmation code not receiving. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. So this might be because of a network issue, so first and foremost go ahead and check that. You can go ahead and turn on your airplane mode for a while, then disable it real quickly. This can help to restart with your network. Now once you do that, it might work. If not, go ahead and tap on your Instagram application and go to app info. From here, tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. And this might be because of a bug issue, and if it's it will fix it. Now if it's not working still, then what you can do is you can go ahead and try with your email. As Instagram don't have the protocol to screen recording their activities, I wasn't able to screen record that process. However, if you try to log in with a code, you will have the option of a backup code as well. Those backup codes are provided to you when you were enabling your two-way authentication. If you have it, you can just enter it and log in with your Instagram. If not, the last resort is actually reporting to Instagram. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.